is Yolanda Renee, and as you can see, I have, I'm all hype, a new wig. I gotta cut some more layers over here because I feel like it's too long on this side. But yeah, girl, when you get a wig, you have to customize it a little bit. When you get it, it's okay. Well, first of all, let's talk about that. So when you get it, it comes in this RPG show box. This, when you first take it out, the curl pattern is gonna be crazy, okay? I didn't film like an unboxing or anything, but I definitely wanted to show you guys how to detangle it because that's so important. Because when you first get this wig, the curls are looking crazy. They're more like crimpy almost, and they're extra tight. So you definitely need to wash this wig, you need to deep condition it, and you have to detangle it. That is like the most important part about getting curly wigs, is detangling and deep conditioning. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly care for a curly wig. I don't want y'all stressing out when you first open this box and you guys are going to be like, that is not what is on the website, that is not what's in Yolanda's video, that is not what's on her Instagram, okay? Because trust me, it did not look like this when I first took it out. So yeah, we are going to go over detangling. I hope you guys are interested. First, you need to add moisture. Definitely wash this wig, deep condition it, and in this video, I already did those steps, but I'm going to be adding more moisture because I wanted to show you, because you know, after a few days it may start to get frizzy. So we are going to add water first. Don't forget the ends. And then you need a detangler. This wig is so bomb. You can just use conditioner on it, or you can use a leave-in conditioner. And of course you need a detangling tool like my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush. I love this brush, y'all. So we're gonna go section by section. It's just like you taking care of your hair. You need to treat your wig like your real hair if you want it to last, because these do cost a pretty penny. So you want to make sure that you keep it, you know, looking nice so you can get your money's worth, okay? So yes, I'm just going section by section, and remember, right now it's just water and conditioner, and honestly this wig is perfect with just that. But if you want some more definition, if you want some hold, you can add a gel, or you can even add a mousse, but I'm going to be adding gel to this unit. So I just put a little bit of gel, and I'm using a finger detangling method, some praying hands motions in there, and then I'm going through with a detangling brush because this brush really clumps the curls. So again, we're just going to go section by section. I also wanted to give you a close-up of the curls. So on this side we have just water and conditioner, and on this side is when I added the gel, and as you can see they both look amazing, but the gel definitely gave it more of a defined look. So just to let you know, like, this wig is bomb with or without product basically, because honestly even with water it looks like that, but the conditioner just makes it easier, it gives it that slip. The steps that I gave you in this video, they work well with your natural hair, and also you can use this to spot treat your wig. You may notice after a few days that, you know, a section may be a little frizzy or dry, so you can go section by section and just fix little curls here and there. Now we are going to diffuse this hair so our curls can remain looking flawless and frizz free. Not that frizz is bad, but I mean, with this wig you want it to stay super defined and not all tangled in a hot mess. So a diffuser works best, and I think that for your natural hair as well. Just if you speed up the drying time, your hair has less time to frizz up. So that's why I like to use the diffuser. And look at these curls. As you can see, it's all different kinds of curls. You can see a little S pattern, some ringlets. I really like the multiple textures of this wig. Case you're into the baby hair trend with wigs, here are some product suggestions. I have the Cream of Nature foaming mousse, amazing. Also an edge control brush. Cream of Nature also has a 24-hour edge tamer and a shine and hold control glue, which is also good to hold down your lace as well, just like the Got to Be glue. Also, make sure you're doing this on the mannequin head and allowing it to dry before taking it off. Here is a close-up of the lace. As you can see, it's very thin. I didn't bleach the knots because I didn't feel the need to. This wig is so easy to rock. Like, you do not have to know any wig magic to make this happen. And I didn't want to go there because I know most people who buy wigs, they don't want to do much. You're already paying a lot of money. I want to be able to wash it and put it on my head, okay? So that's what we're about to do now. I'm just going to lay my edges a little bit and make sure that my hair is good. And also I am going to put a wig cap on. I really don't like wearing wig caps, but you definitely need one. It just makes the wig stay in place, and it also makes your scalp area look more realistic. Like I said, the lace is very thin. I did put some makeup on the lace, so it gives you that bleach knot look. Natural. And since I laid my baby hair earlier, I feel like it's my baby hairs on the wig are laying forward enough. But I don't like my edges, I don't like the baby hair to be slicked down because I feel like when it's slick it looks too fake. So I like my baby hairs to be kind of like afro textured and kind of frizzy, because I feel like if they look frizzy, they mask the lace more. Right now, I don't have anything on these edges. I am so freaking serious, y'all. I have nothing holding down this wig except the elastic band that it came with. Normally, I would use this Got to Be glue blasting freeze spray on the lace. But y'all, I didn't do any of that because it feels so secure without anything, and they look so natural. I basically want to show you guys how I detangle this wig, show you what it looks like and all that. I'm proud of myself though because I did not do a lot of cutting to this wig. Why? I keep looking at myself because I'm trying to make sure my curls are in place. But yeah, I did not do a lot of cutting or any type of customization. I did cut a few layers up here so I could frame my face how I wanted it to. Oh my god, it's so cute. I have all the information somewhere on the screen, in the description box, all that good stuff on my Instagram, so make sure you pay attention. Special thanks to RPG Show for sponsoring this video. I love this wig. It's my new curly best friend, you guys. Now I'll still be rocking my other wig, my straight wig, but I really like this option as well. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye, girls.